Imagine investing in a top-tier motherboard, only to discover it lacks the latest audio technology. Intrigued? Stick around to uncover this and other surprising insights about the GIGABYTE Z890 AORUS Elite X Ice. The GIGABYTE AORUS Elite X Ice is a striking motherboard that combines performance with a sleek, all-white aesthetic. Its design features subtle silver accents and integrated RGB lighting, making it a standout choice for those aiming to build a visually cohesive system. But does it offer the premium feel that matches its competitors? This motherboard is engineered to support Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, utilizing the LGA 1851 socket and the Intel Z890 chipset. It boasts a robust 16+1+2 phase digital VRM solution, ensuring stable power delivery even under heavy workloads. The inclusion of D5 Bionic Core technology enhances memory performance, supporting DDR5 modules up to an impressive 9500 MTS. For storage, the AORUS Elite X Ice offers a comprehensive array of options. It includes 5 M.2 slots, 1 supporting PCIe 5.0x4 and 4 supporting PCIe 4.0x4, providing ample room for high-speed NVMe SSDs. Additionally, there are 4 SATA 6GB per second ports for traditional storage devices. Connectivity is a strong suit of this motherboard. It features a PCIe 5.0x16 slot reinforced with ultra-durable PCIe armor, ensuring durability for heavy graphics cards. The board also offers a Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port with DP Alt mode, facilitating high-speed data transfer and versatile connectivity options. Networking capabilities are top-notch, with a 2.5GB eLAN port and integrated Wi-Fi 7, accompanied by a directional ultra-high-gain antenna for enhanced wireless performance. The audio experience is elevated by the ALC 1220 codec paired with the WEMA audiophile-grade capacitors, delivering high-resolution sound quality suitable for both gaming and content creation. Priced competitively, the GIGABYTE AORUS Elite X Ice offers a compelling package for enthusiasts seeking both performance and aesthetics. For the latest pricing and deals, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: lacks PCIe 5.0 support for M.2 slots beyond the primary slot. Only 4 SATA ports, limiting storage expansion. Absence of advanced audio features found in higher-end models. Pros: supports Intel's latest Core Ultra processors. High memory speed support up to DDR5 9500+. Robust power delivery system with 16+1+2 phase VRM. Comprehensive storage options with 5 M.2 slots. Advanced connectivity including Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7. Sleek all-white design with RGB lighting for customizable aesthetics. If you're looking for a motherboard that combines cutting-edge performance with a stylish design, the GIGABYTE AORUS Elite X Ice is worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.